Good morning, students. I'm here on this Friday with a very important announcement. Up until now, there has been a rule that everyone has to wear face coverings in our school and on school buses. Beginning today, face coverings are no longer required in school, but they are still required on school buses. Everyone will have the choice whether or not to wear a face mask in school. This is an important decision for students and their families to make together. In our classrooms and in our school, we will have some people who continue to wear their face masks, and we will have others who do not. You may see me out and about sometimes wearing my face mask, and at other times you may see me choose not to. There is no right or wrong decision, and we respect each person's choice to be kind to one another and to determine what is best for them and their families. So let's continue to talk with each other here in our school and in our classrooms about what it means to be kind and respect everyone's decisions. Part of building our sense of belonging here at Ballinger Creek and our BCES BU campaign is all about making personal choices and learning from others and learning to respect others' choices and who they are. So absolutely, as we shift to this no longer face mask mandate in schools, we will be kind and we will be respectful with every student and adult's decision within this school to wear a face mask or to not wear a face mask. It will not be tolerated under any circumstances for anyone to be intimidating, harassing, or unkind to other people based on their decisions. That's not who we are, and it's not the culture and the school that we've built together. So boys and girls and students and staff, as we've navigated all the other changes in the last 2 years together, this is one more we will continue to do. As of today, face masks will no longer be required in schools, but we encourage and support each individual student's decision whether to do so or not. I wish you a most fabulous Friday.